Hey guys, in this video, gonna go over the process on how to set up the antenna for the Bestmow. So to set up the antenna, we need to find a place that is away from anything that's like an overhang. You wanna be able to look straight up into the sky. Where we put the mount up there, it's gonna be in an area that has a pretty good view of the sky overall. The clearer the view you have of the sky, the better off you're gonna be with getting a signal. So we're plugged in there, and then we have the wire running through the mount all the way down, and then here on the ground, we're running it through the first pipe, and then the second pipe with the little arm here, we're gonna go in through this. This particular bracket is going to screw into the back of the antenna. And then the end of the USB power cord here is gonna go through this little guy, and we're gonna secure that down into place when we plug it in. So we're gonna put all this together, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's all hooked up. So we can see we have it screwed in there and secured with the cord running down the inside of this pipe, and then that's gonna go up to where we secured that section of the pipe to the mount on the wall. So we're gonna be able to just lift that up right through the cord and then screw this in up there. Now we have the antenna all hooked up, screwed in, and then we did a little cable management here with the wire so that it's pretty taut coming down the wall all the way here to the ground, and then we come over wrapping up the wire here. I think we're gonna put this wire onto a hook or something right in this area, and then we're all plugged in and good to go with our antenna.